Hello everyone, welcome to part 32 of Laravel 10 tutorial in which we are creating the admin panel and we are working on the roles and permissions from last few videos, and in this video we are going to set permissions to access CMS Pages module. See, so far we have just made the CMS Pages module, so we want to give its access to the subadmin, and we have created this subadmin here, like to add and edit this subadmin, and the admin can able to add the roles and permission for every subadmin. Like we have added the here view and edit and full access to the subadmin. This subadmin, this Amit subadmin, we have given the full access to this subadmin. So here in the admin underscore roles table, we can see that for the full access, it is 1 1 1, like view is 1, edit is 1, and full is 1. Okay, and for the another subadmin, we are going to see the John Singh subadmin. For John Singh, we have given him access of view as well as the view edit. Okay, we have not given the full access, so here we can see the 1 1, and there is no full access, it is 0. Okay, so here now if the subadmin will log in, then like if this this John Singh subadmin will log in, then he can't able to access any other module other than the CMS pages, and also in CMS pages he can't able to delete any CMS page. He can just able to view and edit CMS page. Okay, and also he can't able to access any other module in the admin panel. Okay, so that thing we are going to do right now. We are going to update their in index function in CmsController. See, we have created the CMS controller with the resource controller, in which these functions automatically get created so that we can able to do that CRUD operation for the CMS pages. Okay, in the index function you can see that we are getting all CMS pages. So here we will write our code, and which subadmin will have access for this CMS pages module. Okay, so here I'm going to write like set admin subadmins permission for CMS pages. Okay, so here I'm going to set the permission for CMS pages. So here I will write something like CMS pages module count. Okay, so here admin's role, in admin's role where subadmin ID. See, we are going to check here, we will taken the subadmin ID. Okay, we are going to match the subadmin ID with the logged in user. Okay, so we are going to compare with auth guard admin user. Okay, ID, and here module is CMS pages. We are going to take the module as CMS pages. You can see that we are working with the CMS pages, so we will take the module as CMS pages. Okay, so here count. Okay, so now we are going to first of all see for admin or super admin, all the access, these two, like admin will get the full access of every module. So if there is the if type is admin, then we are going to give it the full access. So first condition is we are going to add this condition here straight away, like if auth guard admin, admin type user type, admin user type is admin. Okay, auth guard admin user type is admin. It means that this admin is going to have the full access. So we are going to take here like pages module. Here we are going to take like view access. We are going to take here view access is 1, all three accesses will be 1 here. Edit access also 1, and full access also 1. Okay, in case of admin, we are going to give every access to the admin. Else if we are going to take like we are going to see comparing with this one, like if the admin added the permission for the subadmin, then it will this we are going to pick from here. If in case the admin added the permission for the subadmin, then this count will have some value. So we are going to compare whether this count is having some value, it means the subadmin is having some permissions. So in this case we are going to check for that particular thing. Okay, and if it is sorry if we are going to make the permission like this, like if the subadmin entry is not here, like if there is no permission for some particular subadmin, like the admin created the subadmin but not given any permission to that subadmin so far, like I'm going to make the admin's roles table empty here, so that it will be more clear to you. Like I'm going to make this table empty. So right now the subadmins have been created by the admin, but the no role and permission given to him. So in this case it's 0. CMS page module count is 0. So in this case we will return back the subadmin and will show the error message. We will return the subadmin to the dashboard page of the admin, and we will return the message like this feature is restricted for you. Okay, this feature is restricted for you, and we will redirect subadmin to the admin dashboard with error message $message like this. Okay, and in else condition, the last condition there, it means that there is some permissions added to the subadmin. So in this case we are going to check like which permissions have been added to the subadmin. So we are going to write like pages module equal to admin's role. Here we are going to check like which permission given to the subadmin. So we are going to use this once again. Okay, here I am going to copy this one, and here this time I am going to use first to array. It means that the subadmin is having some permissions. Some permissions are added to subadmin. So in else condition we are going to use this. So this pages module we are going to have for this in CMS pages. Here we are going to add the pages module, and see we are going to declare the pages module as array. So otherwise it will show the error message if in case nothing is coming in it. Okay, like this. Okay, so now we will check. We are going to modify that CMS pages .blade.php. Here we are going to add the permissions. Okay, so first permission we are going to check for the status. For status we are going to add the permission like edit and full status is required. In both the cases, both edit and full status, in both edit and full access this status is fine for in both the cases. Okay, so what we are going to do here, we are going to check here rate of if $pages module edit access, if it is given if edit access equal to 1 or full access equal to 1. In both the cases, full access equal to 1. In both the cases we are going to show this status. Okay, so we are going to take it like this one, and if so in both the cases we are going to show this. Okay, so now here as well, so here we are going to take full access here. see delete, this is the no, this is not the delete. Here also for edit also, edit and full access. Okay, then we are going to show edit. Okay, and if, and now delete, for delete only full access is required. Okay, so we are going to add only full access. I'm going to copy this one, then we'll remove the edit access. Only full access will work. In case for the delete functionality, only full access will work. So I'm going to give it like this. Here, see, we need to do it like this so that it will be understandable. Okay, so now we are going to check here. I'm going to log in with one of the subadmin. I'm going to log in with this John Singh subadmin. John Singh is having the no access given so far. I'm just going to give the view access to the John Singh, or I will not give any access to the John Singh. So let's see. I'm going to open with the John Singh. I'm going to open in incognito window. I'm going to open the admin and will log in from the John Singh account. John@admin.com 12345 and let's see. I'm going to check here. Admins John@admin.com, that is fine, and the status is fine. I'm going to check in the table, admin roles. John@admin.com 12345 password seems to be having log issue. Okay, let's try to log in with another account. This one, let's try with this one. We will not give any permission initially. 12345 let's see now. Here we able to log in. I think John Singh password is not correct. Okay, so I'm going to the CMS Pages module, and here, okay, we need to add the admins role. We forgot to add the admins role. Here we required to add the model of the admins role. Okay, so here we are going to add the model role. Now I'm going to refresh here. See, auth is also required, so I'm going to use here the auth as well. Use auth. So now I'm going to try once again, and let's see, we redirected back to the dashboard. So one more thing we require here in dashboard.blade.php file, we require to have that error message. Okay, like success message we are having here, we are going to add the error message here. I'm going to add the error message here, going to update it with the error message like success message. I'm going to replace it with the error message, and here the error will come, and in case of success then zero will come. Okay, so now I'm going to try once again. See, I'm going to CMS Pages. We'll try to go to CMS Pages, and here see the subadmin is redirected back to the dashboard page with the error message. This feature is restricted for you. So like this we are going to do for all the modules. See, it is not we not able to open the CMS Pages. Like this subadmin not able to open the CMS Pages, and this error message is coming. This feature is restricted for you. Okay, so this thing we want. And now I'm going to give the permission like view access. I'm going to give the view access to the subadmin. So now he able to open the CMS Pages. Let's see. Yes, he able to open the CMS Pages now, but there is no action. He can't able to update the status for the CMS page. He can't make the active or inactive. He can't able to assess. He can't able to make the page inactive or active, and he can't able to edit the CMS page as well, and he can't able to delete as well. Okay, so no permission for updating the CMS pages is given to this subadmin, because only view access is given. You can see only view access is given to the subadmin, so that's why no other permission is given to the subadmin. So now I'm going to give the view and edit access, only two access, view and edit. So let's see, here edit must come. Yes, now edit has come, and also status has come. Now the subadmin can make the CMS page active or inactive, and he also can able to edit the CMS page as well. Okay, so both the things he can do because he is having the access of Audit as well, and he also add the CMS page. Okay, here also we need to add the condition, so that also we're going to do right now. Okay, so one more access delete is not given because no full access is given. I'm going to give the full access now. Now the delete will also come up here, so I'm going to see, going to refresh here, and you can see the delete is also added because the full access is given to the subadmin for the CMS pages module. Okay, so also we require to manage the add CMS page, like if we don't have any view and edit access, we don't have only view access if we are having, then add CMS page will not come. Okay, so here see, if we will go to the CMS page module, here no add CMS page must come. So here we need to add the condition for this thing as well. Like I'm going to copy this one, if equal to full access, this one I'm going to add here for this particular link here, like this. Okay, so this access we will only get. Okay, so now see, no says no, he can't able to add the CMS pages because he can only able to view the CMS pages. And here you can see that we only given the view access to the Amit. Okay, see, only view access is there, so he can't able to add the CMS pages as well. So now we will give the view audit, then he can able to add the, see, we have updated. Now I will refresh, now the he can able to add the CMS page as well. Okay, so like this we are going to manage the other modules as well. Okay, in the same way we are going to add the this roles and permission for the other modules. And now we are very close to start our project. Maybe it is e-commerce or maybe it is dating. So now it is the very close to decide this thing. Now, like I have told you earlier that it is depends upon the voting system. I have recently added the poll, and according to the votes, once again maximum users wants to do the e-commerce. And here see 250 votes come so far. 4 months ago I have added the poll that which website do you want to prefer in Laravel 10. And according to this poll, see, maximum votes are gone to the see e-commerce website, I think. Let's check it out here. I'm going to check it here. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to see here, like maximum vote. Here you can see 254 votes so far. And once again, e-commerce website, maximum users wants to create the e-commerce website, 59%. And if we are going to make the e-commerce website, I assure you that this time the e-commerce website code we are going to do in a much better way. Okay, so every year we are going to launch e-commerce website in a best way, in a more proper code, in a more with more features. Okay, up to date features. So it is not the same. If we are going to work on the e-commerce website, then it is not going to same. So like maximum vote have come for e-commerce website. I am thinking to start the e-commerce website once again. Like we have created the admin panel so far, but it is not confirmed yet. But maximum vote, there are the chances that we will start working on the e-commerce website. And if we will start working on the e-commerce website, then here we are going to add the categories, products module, all the modules we are going to add. Maybe I will skip this section module this time, and we will make the categories module like multi-level category module, first level, second level, third level, with more feature, more changes in the features, better changes. And we are going to work with the responsive e-commerce design that will work in all devices. And along with that we will also do its app. So still we need to confirm, and I want you to subscribe to our channel, and you can always get the source code by joining our channel. Okay, you can see you can subscribe here, okay, by opening this tech developer channel. Just youtube.com, you can open this tech developer channel, okay, and you can subscribe the channel anytime to get the updates, you to get the notifications at your end, okay. Always subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get the updations, okay, whenever I add some video. If you will click the bell icon there, then you will get the intimation when the video will start. And also you can always join the channel, like if you don't have to make this admin panel like the admin panel that we have created so far, then you can simply join the channel to get the complete admin panel that we have done so far, so that you can easily start working on the front end as well, okay. And in the next video, there are unnecessary things that we are going to remove from our admin panel, and few more updates we are going to do with our admin panel, and after that we will start working on the front end. But before that, we will finalize that which website we are going to do with for our Laravel website. And also we are going to modify the admin panel further according to the website. Like we are going to, if we are going to make the e-commerce website, then we are going to modify our admin panel further, okay. And if we are going to work on some dating website, then again we need to make some changes in the admin panel. See, so far we have created the basic admin panel that is must for any website. If you are going to make any website in Laravel, then this admin panel is must. And CMS pages we have done, because if in case you just want to create the dynamic website for your client, then this admin panel is enough, okay. Only the CMS pages is required, and other than that, you can see the admin password, admin details, subadmin module, CMS pages, all these are enough, okay. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.